Ever feel like traditional banking is stuck in the slow lane? You know the drill: endless paperwork, appointments that take forever, and a nagging feeling you're just another number. If you're a business owner, that sluggishness can really put a damper on your hustle. Time is money, after all, and waiting around for a bank account just isn't an option. So, what if there was a way to ditch the old-school banking scene and open a business account in a flash? Well, buckle up, because that's exactly what we're talking about today. We're diving deep into Tide, a challenger bank designed specifically for entrepreneurs on the go. We'll be answering the burning question: how long does it actually take to set up a Tide business account? But before we hit the stopwatch, let's take a quick detour and explore why choosing the right business bank account even matters. Why ditch the traditional bank? Think about it. Your business is a living, breathing entity. It needs a financial partner that can keep up with its growth and adapt to its unique needs. Traditional banks often struggle with that. Their one-size-fits-all approach might not offer the flexibility or features your business craves. Here's where Tide swoops in. They understand the hustle of entrepreneurs. They offer a suite of features specifically designed to streamline your finances, things like integrated accounting tools, real-time expense tracking, and instant virtual cards. Plus, their mobile app puts your finances at your fingertips, allowing you to manage everything from anywhere. So, how fast can you get started? All right, enough with the build-up. Let's get down to brass tacks. According to Tide themselves, opening an account can take as little as 5 minutes. Yes, you read that right. 5 minutes. Here's the breakdown. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to the Tide website and fill out some basic information about yourself and your business. This includes your name, phone number, email address, and company details. Step 2. Verification. Tide uses some fancy tech to verify your identity. You'll likely need to scan your ID with your phone camera and take a quick selfie. Step 3. Funding. Once verified, you can link your existing bank account to fund your new Tide account. That's it. Of course, depending on your individual circumstances, there might be a few additional steps involved. But for the most part, Tide boasts a super streamlined application process. Real user experiences. How long does it really take? Here's the thing: 5 minutes sounds amazing, but is it realistic? We went straight to the source and checked out what real Tide users are saying. According to their website, over half, a whopping 53%, of new members opened their accounts in under 10 minutes. That's pretty impressive. The good news keeps rolling. A significant portion, roughly 70%, were up and running within an hour, and a staggering 81% got their accounts opened within 48 hours. Even if your application requires a bit more attention, it's still light years faster than the traditional banking route. The bottom line: ditch the wait, embrace the Tide. Look, time is precious, especially when you're running a business. Tide understands that, and their streamlined account opening process reflects it. In most cases, you can be up and running in a matter of minutes, freeing you to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. So, if you're tired of the slow dance with traditional banks, consider giving Tide a whirl. With their user-friendly platform and lightning-fast account opening, you might just find yourself wondering why you didn't make the switch sooner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.